Well, Link, there's now a nice new spot for you in Nintendo Power. You betrayed and had a loyal follower fired just so you could recruit me? I'll pass on your offer. Okay, but I have some news to tell you from Mr. Trump himself. What? We were talking, and we felt bad about you losing that TV Tag Title Contenders match. So we thought you deserved another chance to win a title. So we got you a match against that joke, the Bean, for the light heavyweight title. Tonight on Battlefront. Really? Well, then I'll go thank Mr. Trump for that. You're welcome, Link.
Once again, Fox McCloud is trying to bribe Link into joining Nintendo Power by saying he has given him a light heavyweight title shot against the Bean here tonight. My guest at this time is the winner of last Battlefront's I Shit match, Ammo. Ammo, could you explain to the viewers why you asked the cameraman to film behind us? I won the I Shit match! I defeated Hogan on his last night in TWA! And what happens? He shoved his shit-stained tights right up against my face! Got in my nose, my hair, my mouth! I had never been so traumatized in those 5 long seconds! Because of that, I just don't want to show my face to anyone. I understand that you have a match up next. Could you tell us about that? I requested a match with a bug-eyed bastard that interfered in my match. Legs. I'll release all my fury against that freak, and I hope his girlfriend will be watching. Well, a very upset Ammo will challenge Legs next. Well, Ammo defeated Bulk Hogan to end his career at last Battlefront, but that's not enough for him. He wants to also end the career of Bulk Hogan's good friend Legs.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, from Jacksonville, Florida, weighing in at 231 pounds, Ammo!
Well, he appears to be wearing a black cloak over his face.
What does he think he is, Japanese? Ammo feels that the shit stain on his mouth and his face was so bad, he doesn't want to show his face to the world to anybody. Come to think of it, I'd be happy if he wore that mask regardless of whether he has shit stains on his face or not.
and his opponent, accompanied to the ring by Santina Claus from Boston, Massachusetts, weighing in at 240 pounds, Leg!
Legs personally came out in Battlefront to hug and congratulate Bulk Hogan on his retirement. And now Ammo feels he's going to target him next.
And he can target that slut too.
Will you be serious? And here's the bell. Ammo starts things off with a grapple. But wait a minute, Legs decides to Irish whip Ammo right into the corner. Is he going to try to take that mask off and expose Ammo's shit face to the world?
Why is the camera so fixated on Santina?
Well, because the camera needs to focus on anybody and everybody that is inside as well as outside that ring. In the process of trying to end Bulk Hogan's career, Ammo's henchmen, Bino, Wrinkle Flair, all lost their careers in the process. So it looks like Ammo no longer has his rejects platoon of sorts to watch his back. He's going to have to get the job done in the ring all by himself. And so far, he is failing to match up to Legs. Ammo replies with an uppercut. Maybe it's tough for Ammo to see his opponent with that mask around his face. It seems Legs has Ammo outsmarted for most of this match. And now Ammo, I think he was always going to be placed into the camel clutch courtesy of Legs, but his foot was too near to the ropes. Legs showing off the offensive repertoire that has made him so famous in TWA. Those feet. One. Ammo gets the shoulder up. There is no denying that Ammo actually has some in-ring skill. I mean, he trained in the military for many, many years.
Actually, no. He thought he did.
What do you mean? Oh, Legs was just that close to getting the victory.
Yes, get her.
Come on, Legs. Come on, Ammo. Don't do this. Referee Charles Robinson ordering Ammo to get back into that ring. Legs, just kicked Ammo full force in the face. He saw Ammo disrespecting his new girlfriend, Santina Claus, and he didn't like it one bit. Oh! Ammo's thrown back into the ring. Legs cannot let his emotions get the better of him. Because maybe that's what Ammo wants in order to throw Legs off his game. And Santina Claus just grabbed Ammo's leg. Legs decides to twist Ammo's neck for good measure. And I think I see a little bit of crimson in that mask. You suppose Legs busted Ammo wide open? I think I see blood spillage. Looks like he did. Now Ammo goes for the one-legged atomic drop. Oh, sorry, that was a normal atomic drop. Ammo now has full control of the match. And Santina Claus, she can't stand what she sees. She's going to try her best to distract Ammo.
What's she gonna do? Take off her top?
That'll only be giving the fans what they want, and Ammo sure as hell doesn't want to do that. Those kicks to the face. 1, 2, 3. Legs picks up another victory.
Here is your winner, Legs!
Looks like Legs was able to keep himself in full control of the match, got himself the victory. But it continues getting worse for Ammo. Still has shit stain all over his face. Also, from the blood that spilled onto the ring, apparently he got cut open too. Somehow I doubt that this whole issue between Legs and Ammo is far from over.
Hey, Dad, watch this.
Watch what?
Legs just planted another kiss on Santina Claus.
Dad, stop it! Baby, are you okay?